And we are with the two most influential people here on the aftermath of Beverly Road. What's your name, and what did you do there, and when were you there?
Maria Smith, and I worked in the sales department. I was there from 1970 to 1980, but being one of the first people in the door, I had the valuable opportunity of doing many things other than sales. I would give station tours, I'd run film back to the station from PGA golf days, and I did receptionist, I helped in traffic. I just kind of wore a lot of hats, made commercials, did the election results with Gail Gowell. It was kind of fun. You get to do a little of everything.
And I finally get the microphone back after 2 minutes of Maria Smith. Now, Donna, you were kind of like the front door face of the station.
Yeah, I was receptionist from 1977 to about 1981 or 2, and then I worked in traffic, and I left in 1984 when I had my son.
Okay, so you also got something else out of 27, didn't you?
I did. I got a husband.
And he is still your husband?
Still my husband, 30 years in June.
Donna, I'm a little concerned because he was like in production and stuff like that, and he shows up here tonight with a suit on. What's going on?
I don't know.
You don't dress him?
I don't dress him.
So here's my question to you guys. This was brought up before. If sexual harassment laws existed back then like they exist now, would we be able to have this party tonight?
Everyone in the sales department and 95% of everyone else at the station would be in jail.
There'd be 5 or 6 people here. Maybe.
So
I probably wouldn't be here either.
Because there's reverse discrimination? So, yeah. What? So I heard. So, yeah. For the record, she said, I gave it as good as I got it. But anyway, here's the scoop. Donna. What do you want to say to the people who corresponded? Because you guys really ran this whole thing. I mean, you kind of like did the administrative part. Maria did the food. What do you want to say to people that wanted to come but couldn't make it?
Hi. We miss you. We wish that you could be here. And hopefully we'll have another one. You'll always be in our heart. This is a family, and yeah.
A dysfunctional family, as.
Absolutely.
Right, well, say that again.
I put the D in dysfunction.
Because Donna, dysfunction.
Exactly.
Maria, who do you want to say hello to?
I want to say hello to everyone that isn't here, and I'm sad that they couldn't be here, but I have to tell you, did I ever expect to get the response that we got. We have literally over 80 people here. And
when we talked originally, you said, well, if we could get 20, 25 people. We're trying to shoot for 27 people, right?
That's absolutely right. That's absolutely right.
So, and the only reason it's happening is because of the work of you guys. So, thank you so much.
Well, I think the thing is that
you're supposed to say thank you, John. It was nothing.
Thank you, John. It was just nothing. We just did this. It was a pleasure. It really was.
Right.
Really
and we want to do it every month, right?
No.
Well, we do. We'll go for drinks. Yeah.
So there'll be subcommittee meetings every month at a bar. Okay.
We have to critique after the
right. So you should have just added a couple extra dollars in on the fee for this, and then.
No, we didn't do that. We kept it at $27. We thought that was appropriate.
And a lot of people are wondering if T.O. Flynn's and Sheraton Lincoln trade is still alive.
Not that I know of.
Not only is the trade still alive, but neither of those places are there anymore.
T.O. Church.
Right.
Right?
Praise the Lord. With that, we'll be back.